We are back with another wig review. Let's go. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we got another Love Me wig because I am that girl. Again, you guys know that I'm a wig, wearer, user, lover, you name it, because it's super convenient for me, especially with a busy life with 3 children, work, you name it, everything going on. Mama needs to be able to have something that she can just throw on and switch up a look whenever. So I do love the convenience and flexibility and the ability to interchange my looks whenever I want, and give my husband something fresh every now and then, because he comes home, he doesn't know who's going to see that day. So let's unbox. So again, that's the description is going to be on the screen, but this is the LUVME Hair 20-inch body wave 5x5. So let's get right into it. There she is. It's already pre-cut. All right, and it's already bleached. It looks like it's bleached. They gave me a comb. That's a scarf thing used to do the edges, and the wood caps, and the clip, the drill, like the usual suspects. So thank you, LUVME Hair. I'm really enjoying their wigs and trying out their brand. So I hope they keep it up. All right, let's get going here. All right, we got that off, and it is a center part, 5x5. So the difference is that with a 5x5, you can see that the lace is smaller. It's just right here. Okay, there's no ability to really change up the part in space unlike the other one I reviewed. So it literally is, it is what you get. Ooh, I am gonna need these scissors. I need to cut off this little bits here. Let me just throw it on so you guys see what I'm talking about. There we go. There she is, straight out of the box. Nothing done to her yet. Let me grab a little comb. I have a lot of hair, a little shagged up everywhere. Let's see. See, the reason why your girl likes the Glueless wigs is because I'm not a hairstylist, okay? I am not skilled when it comes to the whole breakdown of the lay down, okay? The breakdown of the lay down. I'm not very good with that. That's why I get these Glueless wigs. That all I literally need to do is take them out the box, put them on. I don't customize baby hairs because I don't really have to. I just don't. Okay, I am just not that girl. Maybe one day I'll learn a lot about it. I mean, I love watching videos, watching people customize their wigs and stuff. But for me, it just feels like it's a lot of work, which is why, again, like I said, I go get these Glueless wigs because Mama don't got that time. Okay, the only thing I want to do, or the only effort I want to put into a wig, is to curl it, and that's it. Curl it, put a little makeup down the hairline or whatever, and boom. So yes, you see, I'm going to need to cut this right here. Okay, so all right, so I've cut that little piece that was sticking out there. So let's just put her back on. So let us just brush this in. So it is 20 inches. Okay, right now it's nicely curled. I love how curled it is. They did a great job with the curls, so it looks like it might last for a bit without me needing to curl her again. Yeah, I'm in need of some hair products, some wig products like gels and holds and all the things. I need to get my life back. I've just not been, Is this the center of my hair? You know how sometimes with wigs, you wear them when you get them, and you think I can always tell. And you wear them and then you look and it's like the center, the parting is just not. Yeah, that's definitely off now. That's the thing. I know there was a wig I got from LUVME a while back. Drove me crazy. It was a straight hair, center part, but oh my goodness, like I could not get that. I could not get that parting to stay in the center. When I'd look in the mirror, it'll look like it's in the center, but when I'd film, like use my camera and watch the playback, it was off center, and it drove me nuts. So, like right now, I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, is it really in the center? I don't know, but I'm sure when I watch the playback, I'm gonna be like, yeah. Hold on. LUVME Hair. Well, hello there. Well, hello there. Okay. Okay, y'all doing something. Y'all are doing something to me. So this is a product I got from the Frontal Queen. Is their lace melting spray. There we go. Their lace melting spray. Again, one of the reasons, like I said, why I like Glueless wigs, because I don't have to do all that stuff. I never spray down any of my wigs because maybe like come home from work is like it comes off, right? And I'm free. So I don't really spray down my wigs. I was thinking maybe I'm gonna need that for this, but because I've been seeing their ads on Instagram and I kind of like, let me see, I kind of like what I see. But again, I don't really want to, let me try it. It's supposed to like totally like melt. Ooh, well that did melt. Oh my God. Y'all can't really see that, but ooh, child. I don't know if you guys can really see, but you can see that this one is like super white or whatever. That, and it holds the wig down. That's the thing. It holds the wig down. Which from the videos I've seen, wow, that really did. I don't know again if it's camera scratch, but that really did just. It really just like melted the wigs, and I haven't done anything much yet. Just spray. All right, hold on. Oops. Like the way the lace was looking like whitish or whatever, just spraying it, this stuff, it's literally like fun. And I know I'm not super close enough for you guys to see that, but trust me when I see this. Oh wow, wow, that's awesome. And I have not even put any color on here. Ooh, I'm impressed. Okay. Okay. So I think you're supposed to like tie it down or whatever, you know? But I can see already that I'm gonna like this stuff. So my mirror is down here. I'm gonna like this stuff because yeah, I'm definitely gonna like this stuff. Because you know, there are certain wigs I have that starting to get on my nerves, and I'm not just ready to deal with them. So this will definitely help me, you know. So this is the straight out of the box. I don't even think I need to recurl it right now because it's just perfect. Tell me what you guys are seeing. Is it like, is this parting right in the middle? I feel like it's not. This is what drove me nuts about one of their hair that I bought one time. Let me see. I feel like it should, no. Then that goes like, oh, hold on. Ooh, I just picked up the, did I just make that worse? Child, that spray is no joke. Like I did not even, just a little bit that I did, it was already holding it down, y'all. And you see when I pulled it, like, but anyway, okay, if you're looking for something nice to hold down your wig, maybe go give this a try. And it looks like something, you know, you can just take a little water and it comes right off, okay? And it's not messy or anything. So I do like that very much. It's nice to have something for when I do, want to use something. Okay. Let me put my earrings on. I look like you're rich. I look like rich auntie. I look like Munyo Boo. If you're from Nigeria, you know what I just said. But okay. I look like Unyo Dogu. Cherry cherry bitte. Okay. Okay. Let me turn around. See if you guys can do it a lot. Do you guys see that? Do we love it? What do you guys think? Hmm? Yes, honey. I think this would be like my auntie wig, like my big auntie wig. Big auntie is here. All right, you guys. So let me know what you think. Do you love it? It again is a beautiful glueless wig. I wear glueless anyway, but you can glue it down, like I just showed you. By LUVME Hair. It's 20 inches, 5x5 lace, and it comes pre-cut. At least I selected it to be pre-cut. And there you have it. Are you guys loving these wig reviews? I got lots of wigs. I actually need my attention, but mama don't have the time. I just don't. Okay, I just do not. But I do know I need some hair products. I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go get some hair products from this brand. I mean, press of the spray, just that tiny bit I sprayed was already locking the lace down, which I like. All right, so there you have it. What vibes is it giving? Is it really giving rich auntie vibes? Are we going to the party? What are we doing? Like, what are we doing? Are we going? Are you coming? You gonna come eat some jollof rice with me or what? Okay. How did you guys do for the Dirty December? Oh my God, Lagos was hot and popping, and I was watching all the pictures and the blogs, and I was like, oh MJ, okay, I miss my country, you guys, I really do. Now I'm also that my mom's no longer here, because her being here with me kind of gave me that peace and comfort, because she was with me, so she was my connection to the culture and to the motherland and all the things. But now that she's gone, I truly 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 I truly miss culture, my country, so yeah, it's been a while. Okay, and 3 kids later, hello. All right, so there you have it, queens. Let me know what you think. Do we love it? If you do, check the description. I will link it in the description. I should be able to find it again, because I got it off actually the TikTok pages where I snagged this from. No, that's not true. That's not true. This I got from Amazon. This was from Amazon. The other one I got from TikTok, I think. But anyway, there you have it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hit the like, hit the share. Okay, comment. Let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for hair products or wig products, drop it down below. All right. Thank you for supporting your girl, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.